Hello, I'm Wolfgang Puck, and today I'm gonna show you one of my favorites, a tomato risotto with sauteed shrimps and fresh peas. When you make a risotto at home, always stay next to it. Don't leave and go watch TV or anything like that, or play with the kids. If not, the rice will burn. Now, it's very important that you don't add all the liquid at once, even if you have the exact measurement. You wanna stir it so that way the risotto really nice and creamy. We're gonna finish the risotto with a little bit of butter and some Parmesan cheese. Normally when I make a risotto with seafood, I don't add a lot of Parmesan to it or no Parmesan. Cheese and the fish sometimes don't mix, but I make the risotto and then I cook the shrimp separated. That way Parmesan in the risotto works well. Now we are ready to saute our shrimp. When I butterfly the shrimp, I leave the tail here, as you can see, and then you cut the shrimp in half. So it's really simple, so that way it's easier for presentation and faster to cook. I think my kids really love to cook, and Byron started to cook risotto probably when he was in high school. But Oliver, my son, who is 12 now, he started to cook with me in the morning, breakfast really early, and then for dinner, when we make anything which is not too complicated like risotto, he's always next to it, stirring. He burned himself a few times, cut himself a few times. I could eat risotto every day. It's tasty, it has great texture, and most of all, to me, the creaminess of the risotto is so amazing. It smells amazing. I can't wait to taste it. With the delicious shrimp with it.
Oh, yes!